1. The new student.
Are you the new student?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Wales.
That's cool. Where do you live?
I live just down the road on Brixton Road.
How do you get to school?
I get to school by bus.
Me too. We can go to school together tomorrow.
That's great. Let's do it.
2. On the phone 1.
Hey honey, where are you?
I am in the kitchen. Are you coming home?
Yes, I am on my way. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner for us.
That sounds great. I'm starving.
You are going to love it. I'm trying out a new recipe.
That's amazing. I am going to be home in 10 minutes.
3. A photograph.
Who is she?
She is my cousin.
What's her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Where is she in this photograph?
She's in San Francisco.
I can see a red bridge behind her. What kind of bridge is it?
Oh, she's standing in front of the Golden Gate Bridge. The most famous bridge in the world.
Really? That bridge looks so amazing.
4. Location.
Where is the shopping centre?
It's between the town hall and the bank.
Where is the post office?
It's across the cinema.
Where is the school?
It's next to the supermarket.
Where is the gas station?
It's down the road behind the church.
Where is the hair salon?
It's opposite the bus station.
5. The ATM. Excuse me? Can you tell me the way to the nearest ATM machine?
Yeah, no problem. It's on George Street. Just walk along Garden Street and turn right into George Street. It's beside the bank.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Are you a tourist?
Yes, it's my first time here.
That's fantastic. You are going to love this city. By the way, I need some cash too. I'll walk with you.
Okay, great. 6. A coat.
May I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a coat.
What's your favorite color?
It's blue.
Sorry, we don't have blue coats at the moment. What about this one here?
But this coat is gray.
I know, but the quality is amazing. Trust me.
Hey, have you heard about Mr. K's new ebook called 100 Real-Life English Conversations for Beginners?
No, what is it?
It has 100 beginner dialogues you can listen to, read, and speak along with. It's great for learning English.
That sounds really useful. Where can I get it?
You can get it on Mr. K's online shop at www.mrk.de.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
7. Wrong umbrella.
Excuse me, is this your umbrella?
No, it isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. This umbrella is green, and my umbrella is pink.
Oh, okay, sorry for asking.
No problem.
8. The answer is no.
Do you play football?
No, I don't. I play tennis.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you live in the city?
No, I don't. I live in a village nearby.
Do you live in a house?
No, I don't. I live in an apartment. Do you have any more questions?
No, I don't.
9. Short answers.
Is Ben young or old?
He's young.
Is Tara tall or short?
She's short.
Are you shy or outgoing?
I'm outgoing.
Was your last test easy or difficult?
It was easy.
Is Tom funny?
Yes, he's very funny.
10. On the phone 2.
Hello, Sarah. This is Bob. I want to return the board game I borrowed from you last night. Will you be at home at about 7 o'clock?
Yes, I will. I will be cooking dinner.
Oh. Well, then I won't come over at 7.
Why not?
I don't want to disturb you.
Don't worry. You can eat with me.
You sure? Well, actually, I am a bit hungry to be honest.
11 rainbows.
Have you ever seen a rainbow?
Yes, I have. I saw one after it had rained last week.
How did it look?
It looked so colorful and bright. It stretched across the sky.
Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I took a few photos with my phone.
That's cool. Have you ever seen a double rainbow?
No, I haven't. But I would love to see one someday.
12. The concert. Would you like to join me to go to a rock concert?
Well, I'd like to, but when is it?
This weekend on Saturday.
What a pity. I'm busy on Saturday.
Perhaps you could change your plans. It's going to be an amazing concert.
Maybe I will. I wouldn't want to miss it, to be honest.
Great, then see you on Saturday. 13. Pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskey.
Cats are lovely. How old is Whiskey?
Whiskey is 3 years old. She's very playful.
I have a dog named Max. They should meet someday.
That would be fun. But I don't think for Whiskey.
I guess Whiskey doesn't like dogs.
You're right.
14. Bless you.
Aren't you?
God bless you.
Thank you.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, that's why I'm sneezing so much.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks, I get a bad cold every winter.
Are you taking anything for your cold?
I'm taking Sneezo.
Does it help?
Yes, but it makes me sleepy.
So better you don't drive.
15. I don't feel well.
What are you looking for?
My jacket. I'm going to the doctor.
Why? What's the problem?
I'm not sure, but I don't feel well.
Do you have a fever?
No, but I have a pain in my chest.
What time is your appointment?
It's at 9:30. I'm going now. Bye.
Goodbye. I hope it's nothing serious.
Thanks. See you.
16. Help.
Can you help me, officer?
I'll try. What's the problem?
I can't get into my car.
Where are your keys?
They're in the car.
Don't worry. I can open it.
How can you do that?
With a coat hanger. It's easy.
Where can we get a coat hanger?
There's one in the police car. Wait here.
Thanks a lot. You're very kind.
17. Taking a cab.
Good day.
Hello, sir.
Where do you want to go?
45. Jackson Street, please.
45 Jigson Street, no problem.
No, Jackson Street.
Jackson Street. Let's see. Is that near Martin Street?
I don't know. I've been here for only a week. Aren't you the cab driver?
Yeah, sorry, you're right. I will figure it out. Where are you from?
Chicago.
That's cool. I have been to Chicago a lot of times. I love Chicago.
18. Getting up.
I hate getting up in the morning.
Me too. What time do you get up?
At 6 o'clock.
Why do you get up so early?
I have to be at work by 7.
I don't get up until 8.
You're lucky. What do you do?
I own a bookstore.
What time does your store open?
At 9 o'clock.
19. A warm drink.
This cold is killing me.
Me too. It must be minus 15 degrees.
I would like a warm drink.
I'll get you one.
Thanks. This tastes good.
It does. This cold weather makes me lazy.
Me too. Get me another drink.
I guess if you're lazy, I have no other choice.
Thanks for understanding.
20. A broken phone.
Hey! How's it going?
Hello? Who is it?
What's wrong?
There is something wrong with the phone. I'm getting a strange noise.
Are you? I can hear you very clearly.
Hello? Are you there?
Let me call you again. Maybe it will be better then. Hello. How about now? Can you hear me? Is the noise still there?
Yes, yes, and yes. Perhaps my phone is out of order.
You should get in touch with the phone company.
21 favorite books.
What's your favorite book?
I really enjoy reading Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling.
Oh, I've heard great things about this series. What's it about?
It's about a young wizard and his magical adventures.
Sounds exciting. I'll have to give it a try sometime.
I'm sure you'll love it. Happy reading.
22 getting a visa.
Hello, this is Mr. Scott. I have a question. Does it take long to get a visa?
Hello, sir. It depends on the season. Anywhere from 1 month to 2 months.
What do I need to do?
Fill out an application form and wait.
Will there be a long waiting period?
Not if you don't run into any government delays.
Thank you for your advice.
23 a date.
What are you so happy about? You're grinning from ear to ear.
Betty and I are going to go out this weekend.
Oh yeah. That's fast work. That's great. Which night are you going to see her? Friday or Saturday?
On Friday night. She isn't going to be in town on Saturday and Sunday. She's going to visit her uncle in Denver.
What are you going to do on Friday?
I don't know yet. Do you have any ideas?
How about taking her out to an Italian restaurant? I've heard she likes Italian food.
That's a great idea. Thanks.
24 about yesterday.
Hi, how's it going? You look tired. Did you sleep okay last night?
No, I didn't.
Why? What did you do yesterday?
I went to a nightclub last night and danced all night.
Oh yeah? Did you have a good time?
I had an amazing time, but I'm beat today.
What time did you leave the nightclub?
I left at about 3 a.m.
Well, I'm not surprised that you're tired.
Yeah, me neither.
25 the check-in.
Do I check in here for American Airlines?
Do you already have your ticket?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Can you put your luggage up here, please?
Sure, I have 3 suitcases.
We allow only 2 pieces. You'll have to pay an extra charge.
Oh, can I carry this one with me?
No, I'm sorry, sir. It won't fit under your seat. That's $55 extra, please.
Oh, okay. Here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 19B. Here's your ticket, and enjoy your flight.